Biafra Alpha Power Media International.
Hello, indigenous people of Biafra and men and women of justice, equity, and freedom worldwide. Today, being 10th of February 2025, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and his legal team appears in Federal High Court, Abuja, after being summoned by Justice Binta Nyako. Today's impromptu summon by Justice Binta Nyako came as a surprise to many, as Justice Binta Nyako has earlier rescued herself from this case after being prompted to do so by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. However, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu walked into the court today glowing with smiles and confidence, happy to see his family and well-wishers and exchange pleasantry with them. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's siblings, accompanied with few Igbo elders, were in court today to give him moral and physical support, while the legal team played their part in guiding him through the process of the court before the proceeding commenced. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu led counsel Barrister Aloy Jemako, together with other lawyers, work with their clients and guide them thoroughly through the process of the court before the proceeding. The hearing barely started before things got heated up and took another dramatic turn. The leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who has been in detention for almost 5 years, voiced out his frustration over what he called disturbing lack of knowledge, which has continued to cripple Nigeria's judicial system. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu also made it emphatically clear to Justice Binta Nyako that she has been earlier rescued from this case, and she will never have the opportunity to return to this case again to try him on this case. Not today, not tomorrow, not forever.
He did something in my case. I accused him. He was conscious official. I asked him to recuse himself. Why did the chief judge insist I was right? He left my case.
Okay, listen. If anybody is not happy with which is true, then you need to order.
No, I cannot. Because I have a court order. I have a court order. You have recused yourself. I have a court order. Anybody who disagrees with this order of God, go to appeal court. That's what you tell me all the time. You are from this official. You cannot preside over this case number again. Not in this life. You cannot. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. A woman here cannot force this court to preside on my case. You cannot. Not today, not till forever. You are recused and you stand recused. Tell the chief judge, Nnamdi Kanu said, go on appeal. I recused him from my case. The state recused Justice Adema from my case. I did not insist Adema must hear my case. I never insisted. So why must you insist to hear my case? I don't want you in my case. I don't need you in my case. You are biased. You are biased. You cannot be in my case. I don't know she did the right thing. The chairman of the board of managers prosecuting somebody is impropriety. Nowhere in the world such nonsense stop. You cannot be hobnobbing with lawyers, hobnobbing with justices, and you're prosecuting a case. It's shameful. Absolutely shameful. Shameful. This is a record of law. This is a shrine to injustice. And I will not subject myself to it. You stand recused and you must take my case. You cannot write me. This man is not paying attention. There is an order of recusal. And he's a senior advocate, for goodness sake. There's an order of recusal. Is that not the rule of law? The law says if you disagree with this, you go and appeal. You are the grown-up man. Because of 300 million Later, you will not try my case. Not on this planet Earth, I'm telling you that now. So stop wasting your time. They are not well, I'm telling you, this God Almighty not well. This is an order of God. An order of God says, Justice Binta Nyako is recused. An order of God. Order she made as an order. The same Chief Justice writing the stupid memo he's writing. I recused him. He was functus official. He sat on appeal. I took him to NJC. I recused him. Why did he not say I must sit on your case? Why in the case of his lordship is he insisting? He wants to embarrass her. He wants to embarrass your lordship by asking her to come and sit on this case. Is that what you're saying? That's an order of, give it to him. He doesn't have it. Give him an order of God. It's an order of God. Give it to him. He doesn't have it. An order, give it. He doesn't have it. It's an order of God. It's an order of God.
And wisdom is very important in this matter.
Telling lies.
It's not right for you to insult your
If you insult yourself, I will insult you. If you have no respect for yourself, I will insult you. Because you are telling the law, when it comes to Nnamdi Kanu, you turn the law upside down. The law says one thing. If the law says this paper is white, when I go to God, they say it's black. When I say it's black, they say it's white. Is that law? I'm asking you, a senior because of Nigeria, that law. Is the memo from Chief Judge, is memo from Chief Judge sufficient to set aside and a court order? The answer is no. Why do you want to change the law in my own case? His Lordship, Justice Binta Nyako, stand recused in my case. Cannot try me. Why don't you get it? You mean you're definitely get for trial so you can do your mathematics you always do. People without shame. I have here before me for the benefit of Chicago because it seems she doesn't know the law. So I will tell you, this is national judicial policy of this country. Please give them a copy each. National judicial policy of Nigeria. National judicial policy. I will tell you what it says. Because you don't know, I will tell you. Talking about memo from the Chief Judge of the High Court. Judicial policy of Nigeria. 1C. I'm reading. Verbatim. In the performance of judicial functions, the judge is subject only to the law and must only consider the law. The rule of law in every common law jurisdiction in the world is that once an order of court is entered, the only way to set aside it is by going on appeal. That's the rule of law. But it's not advocate, you don't know. I will go to see. A judge must not take or attempt to take orders or instructions of any kind from anyone, even the chief judge, from anybody that may influence his decisions in the performance of the judicial function. It means that his lordship having entered an order of court, a decision between myself and her. People who are not educated. I am an educated man. I can't show them the petition for the simple reason that if you show it,
what the judge said was that the case file.
Binta Nyako said today, for the simple reason that she has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try my case. There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who is that person? Who corruption charges? They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son. They are facing. It doesn't matter if they off it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to superior court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why therefore are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask you. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.
Biafra Alpha Power Media International.